here we have Spyderco's Lil Native. This is in CPM S30V with black G10 scales and features the compression lock. Compression lock is great for one-handed closing. This is a small knife. I have a large hand. I do not have enough grip on it here, but you choke up on it and you actually have enough handle. So it's a great little everyday carry. If you're opening boxes, letters, whatever it is you're doing besides really like big work with a knife, this will be enough knife for you. And the benefit is it takes up very little pocket real estate. It is small. I won't say it's the smallest knife they make. They make a few smaller, the Dragonflies and such, but this is a great little useful everyday carry. Check our website for the current pricing and all of the sizing information. Thank you much.